Hi everyone, Chris here with My Old House Fix, and just a follow-up, part 2 on radiator restoration, how to remove these stubborn shutoff valves. So we talked before about the 3 options, whether you can remove it with a pipe wrench, whether they come out with the tool that goes inside here, or whether you have to cut. So if these collapse, then you would have to cut the bottom very gently to make it collapse and let it come out. So luckily on these, so far they're coming out pretty well. As you can see the fitting here. We're going to remove this fitting here. And we've already been working on this radiator on the side here. But we have a problem. With these being brass, they collapse very easily. And the pipe wrench will start slipping once it starts collapsing and the fitting is not perfectly round. As you see here. So when it starts collapsing, it will start splitting because it's soft brass, but that's okay. Sometimes you just have to stay persistent. So what we do is try to put something inside the pipe that is close to the inside diameter, so when this crushes down, it gives support inside so the wrench won't slip. And slowly but surely, as you can see here, it did a lot of slipping, but it eats it away to the point where it's soft enough, it'll collapse down on this support and eventually come loose, as you can see here. And yes, you'll need probably a cheater bar, maybe even a hammer to bust it loose. They're really tight, but don't worry, use a cheater pole on it, whatever it takes to get it out. So this one's ready to come out. Alright, and we can move on to the next one. Again, as you can see here, it did a lot of spinning. You can see all the brass on the ground here, and it split on the end. But once we had the support tool in, it was fine. So we just use the fitting wrench here. As we said before, these usually don't work, but they make a good support. So when you clamp down on this, it gets a good bite. As you can see, it started splitting, but that's good. Once it eats away enough of this, it'll clamp down on there. Then the wrench can get a really good bite, and it comes right out. Alright, just another tip and a life hack for your radiators, how to get them out so you can put your new shutoff valves in and start fresh. Alright, go to the Facebook page, My Old House Fix, or myoldhousefix.com for more tips and tricks. See you guys.